Hi, I'm Sara Gelsheimer, and I'm a Senior Wealth Manager at Plancorp. So often we find ourselves deep cleaning our house, our closet, our cars, but now is a really great opportunity to spend some time to deep cleaning your financial situation as well. So I'm going to talk about a few tips that you can practice each year during this time. So first of all, create a net worth statement. This is basically a snapshot of your overall net worth. So what you own minus what you owe. This will be a good thing to keep doing over time so you can track your progress. So number 2 would be checking in on your goals. If you don't have goals, I would highly encourage you to create some short-term goals, mid-term goals, and long-term goals. So some common goals that I often hear are number 1, reducing debt. So check on your progress. If there are any ways to reduce your debt, like refinancing your home or potentially more aggressively paying off credit card or student loan debts, go ahead and try to up those payments right now too. If one of your goals is building an emergency fund, work towards getting to that 3 to 6 month of non-discretionary expenses set aside in cash. And a great place to park that cash will be one of the online money market accounts that generally pay higher interest than a brick and mortar bank. A common goal, of course, is retirement planning. So now would be a great time to make sure you are maxing out your 401k contributions if you aren't already and are able to do so. Also consider making IRA or Roth IRA contributions as well. In addition, saving for kids' education is another common goal. So think about, if you're not already, making contributions to a 529 education account. So number 3, go over your budget. If you're not already using an app like BrightPlan or Mint.com, which pulls in all of your bank accounts and credit cards and helps analyze your spending for you, if you're not already doing that, now would be a good time to set that up. You can also do it the old-fashioned way and pull the last 3 months of bank statements and credit card statements and review those and see if there are any expenses that you could potentially cut back. Number 4 would be reviewing important financial information. This one's really important and is often overlooked. Now is a great time to go and check your beneficiary designations on your 401ks, IRAs, and make sure those are all in place. Same with life insurance as well. Now would also be a great time to check your credit score. You can check that for free once a year. So highly encourage you to do that. Review the report, look for any red flags. Also a good time to review your property and casualty insurance. So maybe you've made a home improvement and you need to increase your coverage now to account for that. Or maybe your net worth has increased enough that you should probably update your personal umbrella policy. So those are things to look for with insurance. Assess your investments. So, maybe you were starting out on an 80-20 target allocation, 80% stocks, 20% bonds. With the market doing as well as it has over the last year, maybe you're at a 90-10 and need to do some rebalancing. Check to see if you have any cash sitting on the sidelines that you could put to work, whether that's help paying off debt or, putting towards an IRA or a Roth contribution this year. So lots of things to think about with regard to your finances. Spend some time, put it on your calendar, get that closet cleaned up, but also make sure you're getting your financial life cleaned up as well. Certainly, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.